Nakakatawa nga yun. Pero, pakiusap lang, huwag mo nang hanapin ganitong mga klaseng services. So ano nga ba ang tama? So ito nga, masakit yung likod mo, tapos gumagapang siya pababa para siya namamanhit, tumutusok, nangunguryente. So yun nga, baka tinatawag tong sciatica. Pero, teka lang, alamin natin ano nga ba talaga to.
Listen to me, listen to me.
Sa spine kasi natin, meron tayong tinatawag na disc. Itong disc, it acts like a cushion. And this one, over the course of time, habang may ginagawa tayo, pwede siyang umumbok or lumabas or lumihis. Ngayon, pag nangyari to, pwede siyang maipit, may maipit na ugat. And pag naipit yung ugat na tinatawag na sciatic nerve, over the course of time, mararamdaman natin parang sumasakit na yung tagiliran natin, puwet, all the way down, papaba sa legs natin. So, pag ganito yung nararamdaman mo, wag na wag mong papagawa yung mga hilot palagutok, pamasahe lang, or tiis lang, because that actually can harm your condition or put more danger into it. And pag ganito yung nangyari, kunwari pinagawa mo na yung mga hindi dapat, mas malaking gastusin at tsaka mas mahihirapan ka. So ano nga ba dapat gawin?
You don't have to answer that question.
I'll answer the question.
Ang kailangan mong gawin is of course, try mo munang i-hot compress, try mo munang mag-exercise, avoid prolonged positioning, and also as well, try to do some of course exercises that can help you to ease the sciatic nerve pain. Pero, kung nagawa mo na lahat to at hindi pa rin to nawawala or nag-i-ease yung pain, then come to us and we can help you and extend our utmost care to you. Because dito sa FADISAB, we help you check the condition. Kung sciatica nga talaga yung nararamdaman mo, we also try to see kung bakit nangyari yung ganitong klaseng symptoms. And then from there, create a treatment plan that can help you solve the problem once and for all. So like we always say, feel well at FADISAB.
Feel well at FADISAB.